Justice Mendoza.
Just a few clarificatory questions. Earlier, you referred to Section 4A, the definition of abortifacient, that any drug or device that prevents the fertilized ovum to reach and be implanted in the mother's womb. You mentioned from the fertilization takes about 7 days. You cannot use an abortifacient. Am I correct?
Yes,
Did I
Your
hear you
Honor.
right? When you say that the use of abortifacient is prohibited before implantation, do you agree with me that a fertilized ovum already has life?
That is the extent of the protection of the state, Your Honor.
It has life.
4A says from the 4A says from the time there is fertilized ovum, state will protect.
It has life? Do you agree?
That one can arrive at that conclusion, Your Honor.
See, because in the Constitution, it is provided that life begins from conception. Now, what was the intent of the framers regarding this matter, when life begins?
With respect, Your Honor, we say
For the record only.
the Constitution says the state must protect the life of the unborn.
Yes.
It doesn't say when does life begin.
No, I was asking about the framers, the intent of the framers.
We believe, the government believes that the intent of the framers is to prohibit a Roe versus Wade type of decision from any court, or the legalization of a Roe versus Wade type abortion by the Congress.
But did not the framers mention about when life begins?
That was much debated, Your Honor. And that is why...
But that was adopted by the Constitutional Commission.
Well, again...
And then ratified by the people.
Yes, again, Your Honor, what was adopted and what was ratified by the people is the state must protect the life of the unborn from conception.
That is clear. That is clear. Now, we go to another point. The Magna Carta of Women amply provides for the health of women, including reproductive health. Why is there a need for this reproductive health law?
Two reasons, Your Honor. The Magna Carta talks about rights, but it doesn't give implementing provisions like the subsidy. The subsidy now to be given so that women can exercise informed choice. Number two, the RH law clarifies that contraceptives, provided they are legal, safe, effective, non-abortifacient, are among the menu of drugs or devices that can be given. So, the position of the government is, where the Magna Carta ends, the subsidy comes in. That is why you need an RH law. Otherwise, the Magna Carta is all about rights, but if you don't give them the subsidy, then again, the poor, the disadvantaged, the marginalized will not be able to exercise their rights.
Under Section 17 of the Magna Carta of Women, speak of rights. Now, it says that there is the comprehensive health must give due respect to the women's religious convictions, or and the rights of the spouses. This too does not appear in the RH law.
We believe it implicitly is there, Your Honor, because RH law is all about informed choice. Nobody is forced to accept, adopt any device, any information that one doesn't want to. It is a subsidy, as we said in our comment, to the willing. The unwilling are free, not to participate, or receive the subsidy of the government.
Section 17 also speaks of the rights of the spouses. it appears in the RH law that the husband, I think, is not given, his views are not heard. The one undergoing the procedure, her opinion prevails.
We believe our reading, Your Honor, is the husband is heard.
Still, but if there is a conflict,
well, the law says if there's a conflict, since the woman is the one who is going to bear the children, then the law steps in and say, load the decision making in favor of the woman.
but does not the father have also the right regarding the viability of
I believe so, Your Honor. Every father should be part of the conversation, should be part of the decision.
no, in case of conflict?
Now,
There is
again,
a conflict.
in case of conflict, the Congress has weighed in. And then in a proper case, a husband can go to this court and say, I want equal rights. But we are not yet there, Your Honor.
In case of an emergency, a woman has that, the view of the mother prevails under the RH law. Suppose there is no emergency, it's just to do away with the unwanted pregnancy.
If there is no emergency, Your Honor.
No emergency, there is no threat to life. She does
Then
not want...
if there is, I'm trying to understand, that if there is no threat of life, then there is no need to balance, Your Honor.
The mother does not want to proceed with the... anyway, that will be an abortion already, no?
Yes, Your
Because
Honor.
there is already life. Anyway,
The Congress is very clear. No abortion.
yes. That's our chief.